Hey welders and engineers, wrench, ever wondered what those numbers and letters on welding electrodes and wires really mean? In today's video, we're breaking down welding consumable nomenclature, step by step, so you can select the right filler metal, electrode, or wire every time. Small diamond segment 1. Why nomenclature matters. Studio microphone voiceover, whether it's SMAW, GMAW, GTAW, FCAW, or SAW, understanding the nomenclature helps you match the consumable with your base material, welding process, and service conditions, ensuring safety, strength, and performance. Camera with flash on screen. Graphics showing different welding processes, standards, AWS, ISO, N. Checkmark segment 2. SMAW electrode nomenclature, example, E7018, studio microphone voiceover. Let's start with shielded metal arc welding, SMAW. Take this example, E7018. Here's what each part means. Camera with flash on screen. Bullet list with visuals. E. Electrode 70 minimum tensile strength of 70 ksi. 1 usable in all positions. 8 coating type and current compatibility, low hydrogen, potassium, AC/DC+, studio microphone voiceover. Compare that with E6010 designed for deep penetration with cellulosic coating, usable with DC+ only. Checkmark segment 3. GMAW and GTAW wire nomenclature, example, ER70S6, studio microphone voiceover. Next up, MIG and TIG wires. Example, ER70S6. Let's decode it. Camera with flash on screen. Electrode rod 70 to 70 ksi tensile strength. S. Solid wire. 6 indicates deoxidizer level and weld cleanliness. Studio microphone voiceover. Use ER70S2 for dirty surfaces, it's triple deoxidized. ER70S6 handles mill scale and improves puddle fluidity. Checkmark segment 4. FCAW wire nomenclature, example, E71T1, studio microphone voiceover. For flux cord arc welding, let's take E71T1. Camera with flash on screen. E. Electrode 71 to 71 ksi tensile strength. T. Tubular wire. 1 all position usability. Suffixes indicate shielding gas and impact properties. Studio microphone voiceover. Examples, E71T1C, designed for carbon dioxide shielding. E71T1M, works with mixed gas, AR plus CO, for smoother arcs. Checkmark segment 5. SAW consumables, example, F7A2EM12K, studio microphone voiceover. And finally, for submerged arc welding. SAW. Example, F7A2EM12K. Camera with flash on screen. Split screen. Flux on one side, electrode on the other. F7A2 flux classification. F7 equals 70 ksi. A2 equals impact toughness at -20 degrees Celsius. EM12K, electrode classification. E equals electrode. M12K equals chemical composition, MN. See, book segment 6. Standards you should know. Studio microphone voiceover. All these codes come from global standards. Camera with flash on screen. Checklist. AWSA 5.1 to A5.29 covers SMAW to SAW. ISO 2560, 14343, 17632 international equivalents. N499, and 12536 European standards. End outro. Studio microphone voiceover. That's a wrap on welding consumable nomenclature. If this helped clear up the confusion, smash that like button, share with your welding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more technical deep dives every week. Right finger like, speech balloon comment, bell subscribe movie camera, weld smart. Weld strong.